getting these floors ready for waxing. Now I want to talk to y'all. Today is Throw It Out Thursday. Yes, you have reached Regina's Way. Thanks for coming by, spending this time with me. I started this segment on this channel because, guys, if you're having problems with parting with something, I think it ain't the fact that you have, problems parting with it, but I think it's the way that you part. If you want to see what I have in store for you today, then just stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'm sitting here, y'all, I'm getting ready to, treat my floors and cabinets and everything. And, we have been downsizing with this segment, Throw It Out Thursday, right? And I have been loving it. Been throwing away things, donating things, parting with things, downsizing, organizing, all of that, right? And it dawned on me. A lot of times when we want to downsize and, declutter and things like that, we have a problem with parting with things. But I don't think it's parting with it with a lot of the stuff. I think it's the way that you parted with it. Okay, I'll give you an example. If I was calling my girlfriends and family members and things like that and say, y'all, I'm gonna get rid of these clothes, come and get what you want, whether it's furniture, clothes, whatever it is, then I have already made up my mind, to give it to somebody. But why is it that we have a problem? And I want y'all to answer this in the comment section down below. Why is it that we have a problem if nobody wants our stuff and we was gonna part with it anyway, but we can't, and a lot of times just throw it out. We can't take it, we can't find, we don't even try to sell it, because for me, I'm not a good seller. I can't sell nothing. So I don't know what it is. For me, I believe it's money. I spent my money on it. And I believe if I give it to a girlfriend, family member, or something like that, I didn't feel like I, wasted my money. But at the same time, every time I see the things that I feel like I can part with, if I'm not gonna, donate them and, and things like that, it's stealing my peace of mind. Have y'all ever felt like that? I was downsizing, doing a good job, decluttering, throwing things away, donating things, and I had ran across some clothes that I had put in a bag. I said, if I don't miss this bag, then that means it's okay to throw it away. But I had forgot about the bag. So when I was going to declutter, downsize, reorganize my clothes, I ran into the bag of clothes. And that, I ain't gonna say panic, but that uncomfortable feeling came back because I was like, man, I was done with this. I didn't even remember this stuff. And I'm sitting here, y'all, when I clean my house, I'm sitting here and I get a lot of thinking done. And so, if y'all see my house, to me, I ain't gonna be ridiculous. This is basically how I have my house. But I feel like I can still downsize. Yeah. Now this is the way I want my kitchen to be. Everything is out the way. All the counters and stuff is, wiped off and stuff. But I feel like we have a little tray here. And I feel like, okay, maybe I should put a stand there so we can hang our keys on it and things. We got a little, it's not really a lot sitting around. But I am loving it that way, y'all. When I started really just getting rid of old Tupperware and, rugs and just mail and things like that and glasses that didn't match and things like that, I'm telling you, it's easier to clean. I've noticed that every time I take things out of my eyesight, I get such a wonderful feeling when I just take everything out of a room. Even if I'm cleaning up a room, y'all, do this happen to you? When you clean up a room and you just want to take everything out because you want to start from scratch, moving the furniture around and this and that and this and that. For me, every time I do that and that room is empty, man, I don't want to bring things back. All right, guys, so I was one of them people that just thought it was the bomb to have a coffee station on my counter. But we only drink coffee in the morning. So once again, I did not fight myself. I came in here cleaning up my kitchen, but I took everything out. Everything out, right? And When I took everything out, once again, I realized that I love everything being gone. So when it came down to my counter space, what did I do? I had a place in my cabinets for my coffee machine. Every morning, I pull it out, make coffee for the family, and then I will put it right back up after I clean it, put it back up, and we have all this counter space. This is how I like my kitchen to be, y'all. So I found out the reason why I kept buying things is because I didn't see the things that I had. So when I would go out to the store, I was like, man, do I get that? I don't know. And I would buy it. Come back home, I have like 3 or 4 of them, y'all. And that's, that's when I started sitting everything out in my face. And it was terrible for me for a while, sitting that stuff out in my face, y'all. But guess what? I started using everything. When I started using all that stuff up, y'all, my space, with all that stuff, my space was like crowded. But soon as I started moving things and using things up and getting rid of things, I have so much room in this house. I'm telling you. I do. So that is about it in here. Everything is clean. The floors is waxed. Everything is wiped down. I love it. All right, y'all, we are in my front room. And this is my couch, but I'm gonna tell you right now, I think I got too many pillows on this couch. So I wanna keep this teal one in here because I'm trying to break up some of the brown. So I don't know, should I keep the teal one on here or leave the couch like that? Let me walk away and see how I feel. I think I'm gonna take the teal out, and I think I'm gonna put this away too. I don't even want this out. So when I downsize a lot of stuff, y'all, but it's some things that I know I would like to reincorporate when I finish, decorating and stuff like that, or just want a change of pace, then I can always put these items back in a different way. But for right now, these pillows are going, and this rug. So I got 2 of them, and I am gonna get rid of them. Y'all, I am a true believer that sometimes your eyes just need a break. And I am going through the whole house, still doing that. I am still doing my dressing room, and I have had great success in there, y'all. But that's basically what I wanted to ask y'all. When you clear out a room, do you want to bring that stuff back? Or how do you feel when you clear out a room? How do you feel? For some reason, I like stuff like that. For some reason. And I got stuff like that all around the house. I do. I have stuff like that all around the house. So when I was looking at that, I said, you know what? That is your taste. Here it is. Now this is really a wall. This is for the wall. This is a picture for the wall, y'all. But I took all the, picture hanging instruments off the back, and I use this as a centerpiece since I have it hanging on my walls in my house. I use this as my table centerpiece. So I'm just going to go and probably find some vases that I have around here and put on either side of there. Or I just may put, you know, a little flower thing there. But I know I have something that can go on the top of that or on either side of that. But that is about enough. You know, I done mopped the floors. I done took out extra pillows that did not need to be on the couch. Who need 1,000 pillows on the couch? Where you gonna sit? And everything is nice and clean. Well, guys, you have reached Regina's Way. This is the second episode of Throw It Out Thursday. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share, but do me a solid. I have another channel. It is called Regina's TV. Over there, we grow our hair, cut our hair, color it, style it, product reviews. Everything else that I love to do, y'all, as far as hair, is over there on Regina's TV. So let me know that you came from Regina's Way, where you are now, over there to Regina's TV, and support both channels, guys, because you are letting me and YouTube know that you are loving the content. So until next Thursday, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another. Leave your concerns in the comment section down below, or whatever you would like to share. And I'm going to see you next Thursday. Mwah. So if you want to see what I have in store for you today, then just stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.